Hey everyone, good afternoon. It is mid-May and we have this awesome heat streak just going through right now in Illinois. It's like 80s and 90s this week and I am loving it because I really like hot weather. I really don't like the cold. So being a northern girl, I just wasn't built for it. But I am so happy because I have tons of flowers in bloom and I really wanted to show you a particular tulip outside right now, my ice cream tulips. They're absolutely beautiful and very unique, so I wanted to show those to you. And I think I'm going to do some clips of some different tulips that I have blooming in the yard. Some of them are done, but I still have some really nice ones out there. So I'm just going to do a quick little tulip video and make this just kind of short and sweet. And yes, my hair is a different color. I have decided to stop using chemicals on my hair, and this is actually done with henna. So I'm all natural, it's red, and I really like it. It's taking some getting used to because it's so different from the blonde, but it's natural and it's much more safe to use. So I am embracing it. So let's go ahead, go outside. I have some different beauties to show you and let's talk about those ice cream tulips. Okay, so in here are my ice cream tulips. And as you can see, they're not extremely tall. They're actually pretty low. At least mine are. Mine never get too tall. I think online I saw that they can get around 14 inches. And when they begin to bloom, there's so many pebbles because they are a double tulip. They're like a peony shape. So they make like this beautiful ice cream top shape of creamy white around pink tinged petals. And they'll slowly begin to open more and more and just get this beautiful shape to them. They do come in some different colors and varieties. I know you can get some that are a little bit more purple. There are some that are more orange. I just thought these were the prettiest ones, so I went with these. They are hardy between zones 3 to 8, and they are best to be planted in the fall. So I found these locally at like a hardware store, actually, a garden center, and I know you can find them online. They are sold out pretty quickly. People grab these up when they see them. So just stay patient and you should be able to find them eventually too. And I'll get some more pictures of these as they begin to open up more in the year. But you can see why they're called ice cream tulips. They are absolutely beautiful. They do not have a fragrance, unfortunately, but that's okay. These guys are all about looks.